So, if you are someone who is between 18 to 24, I need to give you an advice. And I think this age is so hard. And if you are someone who is feeling lost, remember you are not alone. And the next 4 years is definitely going to decide your future. So, instead of wasting your time, focus on yourself, keep working hard, keep grinding, and remember you deserve the world. But I'm not here to remind you all this because you already have people for that. But I am here to remind you that if you are someone who is between 18 to 24, start loving yourself more because it is very important to love yourself in this world. And trust me when I say this, it's age mein it is so easy to feel inferior or insecure, and people can make you feel inferior so easily. So it is important to love yourself, and this is something that I wish someone should have told me back then, and I would be a different person or I would be a better person right now. But for you guys, I am here to tell you that, and I'm going to give you some good reasons and ways to actually love yourself more. And whenever you feel like you are not giving enough love to yourself or you don't find any reason to love yourself, I want you to come back to this video and watch it again and again until and unless you feel that you really deserve love and care. So let's begin the video. Double Dutch beats bumping trunk right smooth. सो जब हम छोटे होते हैं शुरू से हमारा एक माइंड सेट बिल्ड किया जाता है, हमारा एक स्टैंडर्ड सेट किया जाता है कि यू विल बी रिस्पेक्टेड इफ यू आर अर्निंग दिस मनी, और यू विल बी सक्सेसफुल एंड यू विल बी अप्रिशिएटेड इफ यू आर डूइंग बेटर देन द पीपल अराउंड यू, और you will be called attractive if you are slim, if you don't have any acne, you have a clear skin, or if you do this, if you do that, etc. etc. And even if we fail in 1 to 2 standards, we start criticizing ourselves, we stop appreciating ourselves, which is so wrong. And I don't know if you can relate or not, but when I was 18 years old, I was so shy, I was so underconfident, and I used to think that everyone around me is so perfect, so brilliant, so smart, and so talented. And I used to think that I am so stupid, so dumb, so ugly. I don't deserve anything. I'm not perfect. I don't have good clothes. I look like this. I look like that. And I used to criticize myself a lot. I used to compare myself a lot. And it made me so underconfident and so insecure about myself that I never appreciated myself. I never saw myself in the mirror. And I have come a long way and I have seen my progress throughout the years. But I think I can't even imagine how tough it is now in this digital world. It has become so difficult to love yourself because there's a constant pressure to look a certain way, to be someone else in order to fit in or in order to be liked by people. And it even has become so tougher to love yourself because you are in need of constant validations. You want to be appreciated in order to feel loved. And it was like 2017 when I was 18 years old, and today I can't even imagine how tough it is to survive. And if you are surviving in this world, I am proud of you, and you should proud of yourself too, because it is so tough because there's a constant pressure of looking a certain way or looking good on social media. And with social media you can get criticized, or you can be a part of fun easily on the basis of your looks, on the basis of what you post on social media. And it has become so easy to compare yourself with others and their lives and cry about it because people post thousands of things on social media and we feel jealous, we feel insecure, we cry about why we are not at their place. And I want you to remember that stop comparing, instead work hard. Instead of feeling insecure or instead of comparing yourself to others, you need to set some clear goals. You need to know what you want to achieve in your life. Maybe they have better life, so you have to make plans how you can reach there too, how you can make your life more better. सो इफ यू फील लाइक कि मैंने अपनी लाइफ में ऐसा कुछ नहीं किया, मैंने ऐसा कुछ उखाड़ा नहीं है, या फिर मेरे पास ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि मैं खुद को अप्रिशिएट करूँ, लव करूँ या हाइप करूँ, देन रिमेंबर यू आर एनफ एंड यू डिजर्व टू बी लव्ड बाय योरसेल्फ एज you are right now, not when you earn more money, not when you become more successful, not when you become more beautiful or more attractive, or not when someone compliments you, not when someone start hanging out with you, but the person you are right now that deserve to be loved. And I'm not saying you to stay like this or stay broke forever. I'm just saying that if you want to improve, that should come from a place of love, not hate. And if you want to become something, that's because you want to grow in life or to improve your life, not because you want to fit in or you want certain people's attention or appreciation. जब मैं छोटी थी, आई रिमेंबर आई यूज्ड टू गेट सो स्केयर्ड कि कोई मेरी बेइज्जती ना कर दे, कोई मुझे एम्बैरेस फील ना करा दे, कोई मुझे क्रिंज ना कह दे। एंड धीरे-धीरे जिस मैं बड़ी हुई, आई रियलाइज़ दैट एवरीवन इन दिस वर्ल्ड इज़ इम्परफेक्ट, लूज़र, क्रिंज, एंड देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स दैट दे कांट डू even after trying it multiple times. And let me tell you one thing, I drive an automatic car, and there are so many of my friends who used to make fun of me, who used to say कि ha 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 automatic चलाती है, ha 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 चलानी नहीं आती क्या? But I don't care because I know who I am, I know what I can do, and if I can't do a certain things, that does not mean I don't deserve love or I am a failure. And I can't do a lot of things, I make mistakes, I don't know how to style my hair, I don't know how to paint my nails, I don't know a lot of things. But just because I can't do a bunch of things, that does not mean I have to hate myself, I have to blame myself, until and unless I start doing all those things perfectly. एंड आपको लाइफ में ऐसे लोग भी मिलेंगे जो आपको ये शो करेंगे कि हाउ परफेक्ट दे आर, हाउ फ्लॉलेस दे आर, they know everything, they can do anything. But remember, nobody in this world is perfect, everyone has flaws. And if you think that this person is so perfect, that means they are good at hiding their flaws. So never be ashamed of your flaws, instead flaunt it proudly and in front of the world, and just accept कि हाँ नहीं आता तो नहीं आता, नहीं कर सकते तो नहीं कर सकते. एंड कुछ लोग ऐसे भी होंगे जो आपको इंफीरियर फील कराने के लिए, आपको बैड फील कराने के लिए आपकी वीकनेस गिनवाएंगे, आपकी इनसिक्योरिटीज गिनवाएंगे. एंड ट्रस्ट मी व्हेन आई से दिस, मोर देन द स्ट्रेंजर्स, इट्स ऑलवेज योर फ्रेंड्स और द पीपल अराउंड you that want you to feel bad or that want you to feel insecure about yourself. And I want you to say that never listen to such people, never pay attention to them, because to impress others, everyone wants to showcase their qualities, their good things, but everyone is hiding their weakness. So if someone tells you that you can't do this, you can't do that, you suck at this, you are so ugly, you are this, you are that, and I can do this better than you, blah blah blah, then stop paying attention to them. And remember, if someone tries to belittle you or make you feel inferior, that means you are already above them. So do not pay attention to them, instead just focus on yourself and stop being ashamed of your weaknesses and your insecurities. एंड इवन इफ यू हैव गुड फ्रेंड्स इन योर लाइफ, ये एक एज ऐसी है कि आपके फ्रेंड्स आपको आगे तो बढ़ते देखना चाहते हैं, बट नॉट मोर देन देम. सो नेवर एक्सपेक्ट योर फ्रेंड्स टू cheer or support you, because even if they do, you never know what they are thinking, or maybe they are praying you to fail deep inside. So be your own cheerleader and do not overshare or overlove in order to make your friends stay. Because let me tell you one thing, that group of yours, that is never going to make it to the next decade. And if you feel a slightest of jealousy and evil vibes, and if someone tried to double cross you or hurt you, then just stop entertaining them and put some clear boundaries and respect yourself and leave. And remember to be selfish in this cruel world, because that is the purest form of self love. And life does not end if you don't figure out everything in the next 2 to 3 years. Like, it did not end when you made that mistake, no matter how big it was. And people forget, and you should too. And stop criticizing yourself over your past, because you can't change your past. You can only focus on your present and your future. And when you stop torturing yourself over your mistakes and your past, that's when self love starts. And I'm not saying you to become wiser or become intelligent overnight or in a day, but I want you to start small and take small steps, grow and build yourself slowly and slowly. And while you are making progress, start celebrating your small wins. Do not wait for the big one to come to celebrate, and start celebrating, start enjoying, start hyping yourself up. And trust me, all those small wins will turn into a big one. And if you have no one to celebrate with yourself. Order a pizza and watch your favorite movie and enjoy yourself a lot. And you don't have to work all day or all the time in order to become something. You can take rest, you deserve a rest. And And with rest, I don't mean to sleep all day or to lie down all day. It means that, but it also means to enjoy yourself, to meet your people, to do things that you enjoy a lot, to learn new things, to make hobbies, to learn as many things as possible, to spend time with yourself, to do things that you enjoy a lot. And trust me when I say this, when you spend time alone or when you take a break, when you come back with a more energy and more enthusiasm. So take a break, take a rest, not because you earned it, just because you deserve it. And even if you fail at something, do not say that you are a failure or you can't do this. Instead, say that you are giving your best and you will definitely make it work sooner. And if you feel like कि तुम्हारी लाइफ में कोई ऐसा इंसान आएगा जो तुम्हें प्यार करेगा, जो तुम्हें अप्रिशिएट करेगा, जो तुम्हें सेल्फ लव सिखाएगा, then you are wrong, because nobody is going to do that for you. It is only you that can do it for yourself. So instead of waiting for people to appreciate you or to hype you up, and तुम्हें ऐसे लोग भी मिलेंगे जो तुम्हें डिसरिस्पेक्ट करेंगे, तुम्हें अप्रिशिएट नहीं करेंगे, तुम्हें लेस वर्दी फील कराएंगे, तुम्हें वैल्यूएबल फील नहीं कराएंगे. बट ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड दैट you are the only person who can love yourself as much as possible without any wrong intentions or without any benefits. So do not get dependent on people in order to feel loved. Instead, hype yourself up and instead give yourself that love, because if you don't love yourself, you are never going to stay happy from within. And if you are not happy from within, then you are going to seek love, and the bare minimum love, external validations from others, and people are going to mistreat with you and people are going to disrespect you, and that should not be accepted by you. So take your stand and start loving yourself. And lastly, be patient and soft with yourself, because आपकी लाइफ में ऐसे भी दिन आएंगे जब आपका कुछ करने का मन नहीं करेगा. You will not be able to see yourself in the mirror, and there will be hard days, and for those days be there for yourself, pamper yourself, love yourself even more, and treat yourself better. And remember, loving yourself does not mean to be confident all the time, but it means to be there for yourself even on the hard days. So keep loving yourself, keep hyping up yourself, and be there for yourself. So that's it for today's video, and I hope you guys have enjoyed the video, and I will meet you guys in the next video. And tell me in the comment section what are your ways to show your self love, and what are the ways you are definitely going to try from this video. So take care, bye bye.